So over here, you can see that I got a price range and discount. So if I were to go around over here, I can type in, let's say, for example, final price just like this. And then if I were to go around and pull this, then this is what I have. So I'm going to press equals and then calculate this around. So I'm going to select 150 right here, multiplied by 20, press enter. And then there you go. You can use the suggested autofill and everything is filled out. And there you have the final price, as you can see. But now if I were to press Ctrl C right here to copy it out and paste it somewhere else, you don't get the same value. That is because this is actually taking these two cells, the cell on I and H right here, that is from, in this case in E, it's taking D and C. So it's taking relative cell references, as you can see. So if you want the value only, then what you can do is you can press Ctrl C right here. And to paste it, you can simply right click and then you can go to paste special right here. And then you can see that paste value only is an option. So once you click on it, then this is what you have. You don't have the formula there anymore, but you just have the values, and that is how it will show up. And that is how you can use the paste values only option inside of Google Sheets. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.